All right. I've been wanting to make a little tutorial video about this workflow that I've been using for quite a while now, and haven't really seen anybody talk about. It involves Playdium, which is a free Reaper script, kind of emulates the Radium functionality, and JS Midi effects. So I put together just a quick little laser gun. Got a couple layers of mech, got a little gunshot body, some analog ordnance, laser layers. Shout out Nathan Moody. And then I've got a few more over here from analog ordnance as well, just because I want to show off why this is kind of a cool workflow. So what I'll do first is just load these all into Playdium. If anybody knows how to do this all at once, please let me know, because right now you have to highlight the items and then select the track and then run the script. It'd be cool to do it all at once and have it go to its respective track. But yeah, so get all these loaded in, and then I'm just gonna mute these guys that are off to the side to show off why this is pretty neat. So now that these are all loaded in, it automatically arms the track for MIDI. So if I just hit my button here, all those layers are firing together, which is sweet. But what I've been doing lately is using a JS, excuse me, a JS Midi arpeggiator to turn this single shot into a full auto gun. So we'll just grab that. Actually, let's just do it on something. Let's do it on the sci-fi layer. So add that. And now if I hold down my MIDI button, oh, sorry, it has to be before the sampler. So that's just holding down one MIDI note. And then you can change this rate. I think, let's try 6. That seems like a good rate for like a full auto weapon. So I'm just gonna grab this arpeggiator, the same rate, and copy that to all the other layers before the sampler, or else it just doesn't work. Do it on the ones that are muted as well. Okay, get rid of these guys. And now if we hold down our MIDI button, we got nice full auto weapon automatically. So that's like super useful, obviously, for weapons. It's cool for like anything that needs to be rhythmic. So it could be machinery, it could be weapons. Yeah, there's all kinds of applications for it. But what I really like about this now is that now that we've got that all loaded up into Playdium and they're all using the same arpeggiator rate, I can just mute this and now try out a different like gun layer. And also this one. Just like a really cool way to get different ideas. And beyond that, like you can use the sampler now in mass, so this will apply to all the different variations you have, and say like you don't want as much sustain, you know, you can just pull this down. You can pitch it up, pitch it down. So yeah, it's like a really nice way to start putting together ideas and get lots of variation for source really quickly. And then there's another kind of application using a different MIDI effect that shout out Anthony Turry, he showed me this. And this is kind of using MIDI delay to stagger when audio is triggered using the same Playdium script. So I just pulled in these little like liquidy whooshes and impacts that I made with the modular a while ago, and I'll do the same thing. So I'm not going to put a delay on the whoosh, and then I'll delay the impact to try and get like a whoosh leading into the impact. So let me do that real quick. MIDI delay before the sampler, same deal. So I don't know, let's try like 300 milliseconds or so and see how that sounds. Oops, still have my gun armed. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, that's way too short. Let's try a little bit further. So that's kind of neat for just like trying out different timings. Say you just need like a whoosh leading into an impact, you can try out tons of different sound sources and get there really quickly. It's fun for yeah, just like trying out ideas really and getting sort of a random container within the DAW, which I think is awesome. And I've been using this a ton in my day-to-day work. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, see you next time.